What's up, you guys? This is Justin here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make and save up to 20% more of your money practically overnight with this one trick. The first thing to do is potentially move. Consider moving to a proximity where there are businesses that are hiring that simply pay a lot more and don't even require any degrees or experience and stuff like that. I'm originally from a small town in New York. And in this particular area, if you wanted to increase your income so that you could save a lot more money by making more money, my particular area where I grew up, you would not be able to do that easily. When I moved from this small town in New York to Phoenix, Arizona, I literally surrounded myself with so many opportunities to make way more money through restaurants, through potentially becoming a real estate agent, to all these other types of businesses, because the population is so much bigger here and there's so many more people that need products and services that there are all different types of different job opportunities in bigger cities. So the first major tip would be change your proximity potentially to going to a bigger city. Now your first argument could be, hey dude, well, if we move to a bigger city, the cost of living is probably going to be higher, right? So two solutions for that. One, you just simply get a lot of roommates and compromise in the short term so that you can have incredible financial freedom in the long term. Just get a bunch of roommates and potentially live a little bit farther outside of the city so you have a longer drive or commute to your job, but you have almost no rent or very low rent and utilities bills as a result. The other thing is, if you're already fortunate enough to live by a big city like Phoenix or any other big city in any other state in the United States, like Houston, Texas, or Dallas, or New York, or California, or Florida, or Tampa, wherever you're at, if you can get closer to a city and just far enough outside of it to cut the cost, but potentially enlarge your job opportunities straight away. I know in Phoenix, you could work for different restaurants and you can easily, as a back-end, you can start as a back-end server if you don't have any experience, and you can work your way into a front-end server role. And you can absolutely make $1,000 to $1,500 a week as a server or a bartender, and you could keep your bills at $1,500 a month. You could literally put $1,000 a month after taxes into stocks or something like this to let the money multiply itself. But we'll get back to that in a second, and this is just an example. So major overnight tip number one to increase your potential earnings and savings by 20% is literally to just consider moving in proximity to moving literally physically yourself to another state or closer to a city where there's far more successful restaurants, far more successful businesses, therefore much higher paying jobs and much better job opportunities so you can make a lot more money. And then position yourself, either live with family or friends or roommates, so that your rent and your utilities are super, super low. And if you have a family or friends that are a set of family or friends that are already near one of these ideal places to just instantly be able to make a lot of money from jobs like this, you can basically just live for free if they'll let you, have no rent, and then you have a ton of money left over in your bank account every single month. So proximity, where you literally are, is going to dictate what opportunities you automatically can have potentially handed to you, and also your bills, just controlling that biggest expense, which is housing. The next major step is to take 10 to 20% of your gross income and just put that directly into index funds, okay, in the stock market to try to get a 6 to 10% return on your investment every single year. So look at it this way. If you're able to literally put $1,000 a month into index funds, that's $12,000 a year. After 2 years, you have $24,000 in this thing, and it could be making you 10% on your money, which is $2,400 per year in earnings just from the money. Okay, and it's completely automatic passive income. So if $24,000 is reproducing $2,400, now you've got basically $26,400 in there after every 12 months goes by. But if you keep adding to it, after 5 years, after 10 years, you're gonna have a lot of money, and you're going to be in a position where you have options and you have the ability to drastically stop compromising and drastically increase the quality of your life. You can just this is just something you can immediately do that is a proven way to become financially free and independent. The next major thing to do is just take a dump on your cellular bill by switching to Mint Mobile. They have 5G premium wireless starting at $15 a month. I personally have Mint Mobile. I've been a user of it for a long time. And I pay $20 a month for 10 gigabytes of data and unlimited talk and text, and I get the T-Mobile cell towers with 5G. And I never use the 10 gigabytes of data because I'm always home and connected to Wi-Fi. And I have a iPad Pro Cellular behind me, and I pay $30 a month for that, and it's unlimited data as well, and unlimited talk and text, and it gets its own phone number. And to top it all off, they're both 5G, and it's super fast, and it's awesome. And I live in Arizona, and the coverage for T-Mobile cell towers, and this is Mint Mobile, which uses T-Mobile, cell towers is incredible whenever you're going pretty much anywhere throughout the United States. So knock down your bill. If you're with Verizon or AT&T, one of those other companies, you're probably paying like triple, quadruple, quintuple what I just said. You're probably paying a lot more to get the same quality of service. And that money right there should immediately be saved and just put right into stocks. The next thing is you can get one free stock if you follow my referral link up to $1,000 through public.com. So check out that link below to get one free stock valued up to $1,000 from public.com. Also right below that, you'll see my Mint Mobile link. You should be able to get like a free month or a discount or something if you sign up for Mint Mobile. You can automatically save a bunch of money, pour that into stocks, let that money multiply itself so you can become richer while you're sleeping. The third thing you can do, you can also sign up for WeBull as well. WeBull is, again, another stock exchange / trading platform. And you can get 2 stocks on that one valued up to a total of $3,000 when you use my link below. And let's get you investing in the stock market. Let's get you multiplying your money and earning when you sleep. Let's cut that cellular bill and let's get you moved to a place where there's way better job opportunities, like in the restaurant industries or service industries or real estate industries, so that you can honestly make way more money and save a lot more of that money. And let's get you temporarily compromising for considering living with friends or family or roommates so that your rent and utilities bills are drastically cut down as well. That, my friend, is a few simple tricks to immediately make and save 20% more money that's actionable. It's something you can decide upon, something you can do potentially today, this week, or within the next 30 days to start pouring money into something that's going to make money itself and make money while you sleep. That way you're growing your net worth automatically and you can feel good about what's going on in your life, because it does not feel good to live paycheck to paycheck. It does not feel good to basically be in a situation where you have an unexpected bill and you can't pay for it without putting on a credit card. So this is something that solves so many present and future problems. If these are simple strategies, you don't even need a bachelor's degree to just get involved with. Consider your proximity, consider where you live, consider going somewhere where you can immediately get a $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month job, living way below your means, pouring money into something that's guaranteed to get a 6 to 10% guaranteed return on your investment year after year. And yeah, that, my friend, is how you do it immediately, just like that, without all the other complexities and all the other strategies out there. Give that a whirl. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.